Hi, Assalamu alaikum. In this video, we will talk about the parts of bird's stomach. The bird's stomach are modified into two parts. First one is proventriculus and the other one is called ventriculus. Ventriculus is also called gizzard. These two have different functions. Proventriculus secretes gastric juice for digestion. You can say that this have digestive function, chemical digestion. Through enzyme, there happens chemical digestion. And the other part is gizzard, where it is mechanical digestion of food occurred. The ventriculus, that is gizzard, has muscular walls to abrade and crush seeds or other hard materials. This is called mechanical digestion. This part of bird's stomach, which is called gizzard or ventriculus, has muscular walls to abrade and crush seeds or other hard materials, means is to do mechanical digestion. The birds also swallow sands and other hard material stones to aid this type of digestion that happens in gizzard or ventriculus. Hope this will be helpful for you if you are searching for this topic. I will meet you in the next or any other video with a new topic. Take care. Allah Hafiz. This is a diagram of pigeon digestive system. This is esophagus. This is crop. The storage diverticula of esophagus, which is used as storage for food. And this is we are discussing about proventriculus stomach part, first stomach part, and ventriculus gizzard. Here chemical digestion occur, and ventriculus, that is gizzard, here mechanical digestion occur. This is proventriculus and this is ventriculus.